What's going on? Happy Sunday. This is a monthly update on my $500,000 portfolio that I'm trading to $5 billion. For the month, this portfolio is up $34,000 and the portfolio is up $100,000 over the last 2.5 months since I started this series. The biggest winners are my QQQ call options that expire in March 2022, which are each up over 20% over the last month and up over 100% since I entered the respective positions. The QQQ March and June 2022 puts that I wrote with strike prices of 310 and 320 are also each up over 20%, and this is expected given these put options are over $55 and $65 out of the money respectively and will continue to depreciate until they reach zero. Outside of tech options, the biggest tech winner over the last month is AMD, which is up over 8% after delivering kick-ass earnings that beat most analysts' wildest expectations. AMD is running on all cylinders and I'm expecting another blowout quarter of earnings. In fact, I currently hold an AMD November expiration call with a $95 strike price on another portfolio that I started trading from $20,000 with the goal of reaching $1 million. Feel free to click on the link provided to check out that series. In addition to AMD, Netflix has also been outperforming the market and is up 8.7% month to month. Biggest non-tech stock winners include Goldman Sachs up over 11% month to month and Pfizer up 8.7% month to month, despite having a down week this week. Pfizer, despite being in the news regarding having what is generally regarded as the best COVID vaccine, has multiple billion-dollar product lines including Prevenir, Ibrance, and Eliquis. Goldman Sachs is head and shoulder above its peers in the banking and investment sectors. I've been writing 45 to 90 days out puts on Goldman Sachs with a strike price of $365 and have been making around 80 to 90% of the total premium before re-rolling to further to expiration dated puts at the same strike price. The goal here is to continue to collect premiums, and in the unlikely event that Goldman Sachs falls below $365 a share, which is $54 a share discount from its current price, getting assigned 100 shares of Goldman Sachs at $365 a share and holding on to Goldman Sachs as the stock appreciates over time. Three biggest losers over the last month are Amazon, Visa, and ExxonMobil, down 7%, 6.1%, and 5.4% month over month, respectively. Amazon dropped over 7% the day after its earnings were released, and its numbers, while were good, were not as exceptional as expected. I wrote Amazon puts with a strike price of $3,000 the day after earnings, made 50% of premium, and rolled to another put with a strike price of $2,900 and expiring October 15, 2021, which I currently hold. As you can see, I'm up almost 58% on this put, and tomorrow I will re-roll this put to another Amazon put with a strike price of $3,000 and expiring in November. The premium on the November expiration put is $3,300 at close of Friday, and I don't foresee Amazon dropping below $3,000 a share anytime soon. I've included a link to my video on how to write calls and puts and make money like an insurance company. Feel free to check it out if you're interested in learning. Visa and Exxon have both been impacted by the rise of the Delta variant, with Exxon being particularly hard hit. However, it looks like we are about to hit the worst or just getting past the worst of the Delta variant, which should buoy stocks like Visa and Exxon. Looking ahead, we are certainly experiencing several headwinds before the next earnings season kicks off. Geopolitically, all eyes will be on the situation unfolding in Afghanistan. I think defense companies will get a boost from the geopolitical instability. The Delta variant is still sweeping across the world, and although I think we have hit the bottom in the US, it is anyone's guess on COVID's long-term impact. Further, several Fed officials, led by Jim Bullard of the St. Louis branch, are pushing for rate hikes and tapering to combat inflation. Let me know in the comments below how you're trading heading into the next month, and as always, thank you for watching and please hit the like and subscribe button.